Good morning, Clay Thompson here at Guarantee RV Center. Today I'm going to show you a brand new 2019 DRV Mobile Suites 36 RSSB3. Come on inside, let me show you. We can turn the lights on. The kitchen area lights are on a dimmer switch above. Plenty of light switches. Very, very nice cabinetry, as you can see. New for 19 is the new lit wall ends on the slide outs, cabinetry above with the piston hinges, nice hinge work so they stay open by themselves. The day and night MCD dual roller shades, insulated dual pane windows, extended table with leaf, 2 more folding chairs in the closet, full usable cabinetry behind the table, drawers and cabinets throughout, just more storage space. Nice electric furniture here with heat massage, electric recline. The wall sconce light there, USB and 110 plug-ins next to the table area. We order these with the wooden valances, something you'd probably get standard in the Elite Suites, but we order it standard the way we order them for stock here at Guarantee RV Center. Dimmer switch for the living room area. Lights, manual override for the fan switch there. Overhead cabinetry, center cabinet backlit with the glass see-through, stained glass there. Nice big sofa with the does make into the hide-a-beds. Some of you may not want to hear that. That's an invite that you're not looking for, but it does make into a hide-a-bed for the guests. Nice big windows. Changed over here for the 19 models. No longer do we have the sound system that we used to have. Had the Sony above. Now we use the JBL soundbar. Puts out really, really good sound. And then instead of being just a pull-out top, we have actually a computer desk drawer here. And then the fireplace down below that puts out heat, gives us nice, really pretty colors with the lights off, watching a movie at night, real nice ambiance. Side cabinetries on both sides. And with that JBL soundbar, really opened up more space up above here now, because all we have to do is put the Blu-ray Sony player here instead of being the big component system. So nice feature with the electric power antenna there, and the JBL subwoofer to go with the soundbar. Cabinets throughout. Smart TV, it's an LG big smart TV, really, really nice TV. Got the appliance garage with the plug-in in the back end, out of sight, out of mind when we're not using it. Backlit cabinetry again here with the adjustable shelving that can move, put where we want to. Nice big deep drawers for pots and pans, nice clear cut wood. Very, very nice. The dishwasher. All there. This one actually is a larger dishwasher than you're going to find in most RVs. Works real well. More drawer space down below. Got the big countertop here with the one-piece squared cornered stainless steel sink, wash sink, rinse sink. Also the new models having the new fixtures in the sink area, very nice with the black and the chrome. More lighting up underneath here with the Whirlpool microwave convection, more storage, solid surface backsplash, 3-burner new Furrion cooktop, 3-burner cooktop here, along with the new oven with the glass door and the direct spark ignition for the oven. No more getting down there with the lighter and burning the fingers and whatnot to get the pilot light going on the oven. Big, huge counter space underneath storage cupboard space underneath the sink. It's a really nice feature. More space there. Big pull-out garbage can area here with the drawers. Large Whirlpool residential refrigerator, freezer, overhead cabinetry. Even the side cabinets here are usable space. Got a little catch there to open up. The backlit and LED light around the countertop here in the island. Again, adjustable shelving here. And more shelving here that this has a light that lights up that area as well. So one thing I like to point out to people on this 36 model is it is their smaller model, but yet when you start putting things away and start utilizing your cabinet space, believe it or not, this model seems to have more cabinet space and storage and drawers than even their larger models, because it's not taken away from a, whether it be a half bath or a front living or whatnot, just more storage. So this is the ultimate storage unit if we're looking for storage space in our RV. Fuse and breaker panels down below. Our station here that turns our lights on, checks our monitors, thermostat, Wi-Fi Ranger on off, power control center, everything, monitoring system all in one place there. Don't forget the clock, comes standard. So we walk up into the hallway, into the lavy area. The new ones in the 36 now comes with the large shower instead of the corner glass shower. Nice addition. Notice the big cabinets around with the fantastic fan, porcelain toilet, nice new sink area with the new faucet, vanity mirror, heat duct in the floor, AC duct in the roof, in the bathroom, nice solid doors. Got your trifold doors here. This would be your washer and dryer area, so you could use either a combo, or I can do the two-piece, whichever you prefer, or it just makes into a nice extra closet space if you're not going to do the washer and dryer. Then in the bedroom area here, it's got the king bed, plenty of lighting, windows on each side of the bed, storage above, nice centerpiece headboard, another fantastic fan. Nice big, what I call a walk-in closet. So yes, you can walk into the closet. It's lit. It's got the clothes rod that goes all the way from one end to the other. Come on in here, let me show you. Cedar lined. Drawers down below in the closet. 2 drawers. Another clothes rail across here. Got the little shoe stash inside here if we want, or what have you. 2 more folding chairs for the table that store in here, or you could put them maybe under the bed or somewhere else, but those are the folding chairs that are optional for the dinette table. The built-in wall safe, again cedar lined on this side, and more closet hang-up space over on the side here with its own closet light. Fantastic fan remote here. The vanity is on, or the dresser drawers are on a slide out here. So we have the 6 dresser drawers here throughout. The overhead TV with some more overhead storage space. The Mobile Suites does have the insulated padded interior roof line that kind of acts as a sound deadener, insulator, and just a nice feature inside the warm and cozy inside the coach itself. So as we go outside, I'll show you some external features. Oh, I don't want to forget the separation from the bedroom to the living room. Nice glass inlay, solid door with a lock so it doesn't slide open and closed while you're traveling. The keyless entry. The large patio awning with the enclosed encasement to protect the awning material on the patio from the door forward, as well as on the slide out there, so 2 power awnings. Electrical outlets here from the outside on the patio side. Big, huge basement. Lit, heated. Take a picture of that heat system there with all the ducting. So very similar to a residential. The larger ducting going to the further away ports, where the smaller ducting going to the closer, just to eliminate the hot and cold spots throughout the coach, make it more evenly distributed heat. Big thick baggage doors, again for insulation purposes. Now the Mobile Suites is going to have a thicker wall than most everybody out there in the industry, of the towable industry. This is a standard paint job on the coach, looks very, very nice. We have the dresser drawer slide out here. It's not very deep, but it does make all the room in the world inside the bedroom when it's out. This is a 2-piece end cap up front. 1 piece here, 1 piece there, makes it a double end cap, but it's a molded cap. It's not a rolled Phylon, so a lot stronger structure here. We've got the cold storage underneath, or if we opted to have the generator, this is where it would go. But it is a separate enclosed box with our battery system and hydraulic system in this area here. Battery disconnect switch. And I don't know if you can see it, but this is got a rock protectant chip guard on the front here. We've got the LED lights for loading lights at nighttime. The MORride pin box. So it's a cushion pin box on a rubber cushion. Helps dampen that clunking and chucking noise when you're driving. The large 10-gallon propane tanks on a pull-out tray. 2 of them. So lots of propane there. The other side here is the remote pad for the auto leveling system. Inside here shows us more features. The copper water manifold system, hot and cold sides to be able to turn on and off. Wool insulation, full house filtration system, electric over hydraulic braking system reservoir there. 12-gallon gas and electric hot water heater, black and gray tank flushes and hookups that come up from behind, go inside the door here. 1 sewer connection, makes it nice. 17.5 wheel and tire, H-rated tires here, with the nice alloy wheels, gives it a nice feature, looks really nice. The MORride independent suspension, gives it a nice comfortable ride. The 50 amp cord reel, that's an electric cord reel, so you're not having to wind it up in the cold weather and have to fight with it. 1-piece end cap out the back with the built-in ladder and the backup camera installed on this unit, along with the 2-inch receiver hitch and wiring on the back end. Nice frameless windows around. We do have the framed vented windows on the sides of the slides, just to keep so we don't forget about them and they break. But on the exterior walls are all going to be the frameless windows. You know, and there's so many features on this product that is why it's such a nice luxury unit that I'm not throwing in this video. But if you want to talk how it's built, how they're superior over other products, feel free to give me a call. I'll be glad to talk to you about it, or stop by, pay a visit. I'd be happy to show it to you. Again, Clay Thompson at Guarantee RV Center, here showing the Mobile Suites. If you have any questions on the Mobile Suites or any other product that we carry in stock here in Junction City, be happy to share with you. Again, Clay Thompson with Guarantee RV Center. My direct number, 541-979-1770. And make sure you ask for me so I can make sure I get you the right deal. Thank you and have a great day.